Most people still believe an old lie about success. They think you need a big office, a huge investment, powerful connections, or years of waiting before you can start a real business. But the world has changed completely. Right now, at this exact moment, there are teenagers making 6 figures from their bedroom. There are stay-at-home parents building brands from their phone. There are creators turning hobbies into full-time income. And the reason is simple. Social media. For the first time in human history, you don't need permission to start a business. You don't need a TV station to broadcast your ideas. You don't need a publishing company to share your writing. You don't need a big brand to sell products. All you need is your phone, your passion, and the willingness to show up. Think about it. 20 years ago, if you loved photography, what could you do? You had to open a physical studio, buy expensive equipment, hope customers came, and spend thousands before making a single dollar. Today, you can post photos on Instagram, build an audience, sell presets, offer online classes, and work with brands. Same passion, completely different opportunity. The same thing applies to almost every passion today. If you love fitness, you can build a fitness page, share workouts, grow followers, and sell coaching programs. If you love cooking, you can start a food channel, post recipes, and launch your own cookbook or online course. If you love gaming, you can stream, build a community, and earn through sponsorships and donations. If you love motivation, storytelling, art, fashion, technology, travel, education, there is an audience for everything. And that's the real secret most people don't understand. Social media is not just entertainment anymore. It's the biggest opportunity machine in history. But here's the truth that most people ignore. Opportunity means nothing without execution. Millions of people scroll every day. Very few people create. They watch others succeed while telling themselves things like, I'll start next week. I need better equipment. I'm not ready yet. I don't know what to post. But the creators who win don't wait. They start messy. They post imperfect videos. They learn as they go. And slowly over time, something powerful happens. They build attention. Attention is the new currency. In the old world, money followed companies with big factories and expensive offices. In the new world, money follows attention. If people watch you, listen to you, and trust you, you can build a business around that attention. Look at what happens on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and others. Someone shares knowledge. People find it valuable. They follow. They share it. And suddenly that person has an audience of thousands, sometimes millions. Once you have attention, the opportunities multiply. You can monetize through ads. You can sell digital products. You can launch your own brand. You can partner with companies. You can create memberships. You can build communities. You can teach what you know. But it all starts with one simple decision: to stop consuming and start creating. The biggest mistake people make is thinking they need a perfect niche. They spend months trying to figure out the perfect idea. But the truth is much simpler. Start with what you love. Start with what you talk about naturally. Start with what you would share even if nobody paid you. Because passion creates energy, and energy attracts people. When you genuinely care about something, people feel it. They connect with it. They trust it. That authenticity is what builds audiences today. People are tired of fake marketing. They want real voices, real experiences, real stories. That's why someone with a phone and honesty can outperform big companies with huge budgets. But let's be clear about something. Building a business through social media is not easy. It looks easy from the outside. You see someone with millions of followers and think it happened overnight. But behind every successful creator are hundreds of posts that nobody saw, hundreds of hours spent learning, hundreds of failures that nobody noticed. Consistency is the real difference. The creators who win are the ones who keep showing up. They post when they feel motivated. They post when they don't feel motivated. They post when views are high. They post when views are low because they understand something important. Growth compounds. Every video is an asset. Every post is a seed. Some seeds grow slowly. Some explode overnight. But you never know which one will change everything. And that's why consistency beats talent. Someone posting 3 times a day will eventually beat someone who posts once a month. Volume creates opportunity. Now let's talk about monetization. Because many people ask the same question: how do I actually make money from social media? The answer is simpler than you think. There are 5 main paths. First is advertising revenue. Platforms like YouTube pay creators when their videos get views. Second is brand sponsorships. Companies pay creators to promote products to their audience. Third is digital products. Creators sell ebooks, courses, templates, or guides. Fourth is services: coaching, consulting, freelancing, or mentoring. Fifth is physical products: merchandise, clothing, tools, or branded items. The key idea is this: your content builds attention. Your attention builds trust. Your trust creates business. But none of this happens if you never start. Right now, there are people with less experience than you, less talent than you, and fewer resources than you building successful online businesses. Not because they're smarter, but because they started. The biggest advantage in today's world is speed. The faster you start, the faster you learn. The faster you learn, the faster you grow. And the faster you grow, the closer you get to turning your passion into income. Think about where social media will be in 5 years. The creator economy is exploding. Millions of new jobs are being created. Not traditional jobs, creator jobs, community builders, educators, entertainers, storytellers, experts. And the barrier to entry has never been lower. A smartphone, an internet connection, a passion. That's it. That's the new business model. So if you're sitting there thinking about starting something, this is your sign. Stop waiting, stop doubting, stop overthinking. Your passion doesn't have to stay a hobby anymore. In this new world, your passion can become your brand. Your brand can become your audience, and your audience can become your business. But only if you start. Because the people who win in the creator economy are not the ones who are perfect. They are the ones who are consistent, the ones who show up, the ones who keep going when nobody is watching, and one day suddenly everyone is watching.